Virginia Fonseca is a Brazilian-American digital influencer, YouTuber, entrepreneur, and television presenter. She was born in Danbury, Connecticut, USA, to a Brazilian mother and Portuguese-American father. Virginia and Vinicius Jr. have had an on and off relationship since 2025. The couple frequently made headlines as they blended the worlds of international soccer and digital entertainment. Virginia made multiple trips to Madrid to support Vini Jr. during his matches. She briefly lived in Portugal for about a year as a teenager before returning to Brazil. Although she holds US citizenship, she has said she does not speak English and has not lived in the United States since childhood. After ending that relationship in 2020, she rose further in popularity after beginning a relationship with Brazilian singer G. Felipe. She appeared in several of his music videos and continued lifestyle, beauty, motherhood, and challenge style content. She has been a subject of various public controversies related to product marketing, parenting, and other business practices, which receive significant media attention in Brazil. Virginius is often described as one of Brazil's biggest influencers, known for a strong audience engagement and a highly visible personal brand. Her popularity comes from a mix of family content, business activity, and constant media attention. In recent years, she transitioned to television, hosting her own Saturday night talk show, Sobado com Virginia, on Brazil's SBT network. Started her YouTube channel in April 2016, sharing lifestyle blogs, beauty tips, challenges, and daily routines. His channel has grown to over 11 million subscribers. She has amassed over 50 million Instagram followers, making her one of Brazil's most followed digital influencers.